We're going to show an example of how you would install this fusing tape. Here, this black area would be our energized area. We're going to start the fusing tape just before, so we can make sure that we're properly insulating at the very edge of the energized area. The fusing tape, the only one of its kind, has these safety black lines on it to make sure that you're wrapping this with a 2/3 overlay or overwrap. You'll see the two lines on both sides, so you can come from either direction as you're wrapping it and ensure that you're safely getting that 2/3 overlap. We're going to apply this at a slight angle. You don't want to be at a 90-degree angle. Slight angle. And we're going to begin the wrap. Notice that we're pulling on this approximately 10% pull tension so that it's stretching the fusing tape slightly. And we have this separation film that needs to stay off of the tape. We're going to continually wrap. We're wrapping on the black guideline that ensures we have 2/3 overlap. At 2/3 overlap, we safely have a 15 kV insulation value. This value can increase by coming back and overwrapping again. You don't need to start a fresh wrap. As you'll see in this video, we'll show you coming back. And you'll increase the insulation value every pass, approximately 15% kV. You can use this fusing tape for any type of energized or hot spot you might have. Here we're looking at a solid bar, but this could be on a bus bar, a bracket, a bolt, any connection you might have that doesn't already have a conductor. The fusing tape will provide that insulation that's required. Now you notice we're at the end of that black zone. We're going to come back and wrap it directly on itself again. Now if we stopped here, we would cut it and seal it. But we're going to go back again and increase this so it's twice the kV insulation value. And as we go back towards the origin point, we're again following the safety guidelines that are on the fusing tape itself. You can see it's quite simple. We're trying to make sure that there's no separation. Separation might create an air gap issue in there, which we do not want. And as we get to the end of the energized area, we're going to then again wrap it back onto itself. That last cut piece needs to be completely sealed or fused on the tape itself in order to ensure no separation at a later date. Now, this is not a sticky product. It will not adhere or stick to the metal or any area that you're fusing or covering. And as you'll notice, here we're cutting, trimming, and sealing that. So this is a permanent fuse. After 4 hours, it will not come undone. For maintenance, you would cut this off and replace it after maintenance or an inspection. Now, what does this look like on the inside? We'll go ahead and make that cut. And you can see from the side view the layers of fusing tape that are building up to give us that insulation value. You see it's very tight. There's no air pockets in here involved. You have a nice, secure, and safe insulating cover.